We are recording. I'm doing the Fox Eye or Foxy Eye makeup tutorial. For the beginning of the video, I'm going to do my foundation. However, I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to let some music play and just let it just speed through it, because I feel like I do the same foundation routine because I do. If I find a product that I like I'll just keep using it until the bottle runs out, and then I'll go get another one. But yeah, I'm using the same products. I'll still be showing you guys what products I'm using, but I just won't be talking through it step by step because I feel like I've already talked about foundation before. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm starting with my foundation, and I'll be talking to you guys once I get started on my eyes. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with my face. I stopped at blush. I'll do highlighter after, and I'll do my lips on camera as well. So I'm moving on to eyes. I think I'm gonna start by taking my bronzer color that I use on my face into my crease, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna take that on a what is this? A MAC 224 brush. And the crease color that I put in, I'm just gonna take it and just wing it out just to keep that shape of, like, you know, that lifted fox eye look going. And yes, the brush is going like over my eyebrow. So from the nose and out. For me today, I'm gonna go for like a neutral look. I'm thinking about doing like I was thinking about doing like a pale pink. Maybe not. Maybe I should just stick to what I know. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this really light, like a shimmery color from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, because I really just want like a bright eyelid. It came out much more silver than I was expecting, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna go with it. I am gonna take these two shades here and mix them and kind of use that to blend like the outer part, just to like warm it up a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. like detailed angled brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here in the palette. I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is follow my eye's natural curve. So where your eye naturally goes down, I'm just going to follow that and bring it out. Bring it down and then meet it with the bottom. Let's give that fox eye look. I'm taking something soft like a pencil because I don't want to, I mean like an eyeshadow, because I don't want it to be harsh like an eyeliner to where it only looks like eyeliner. Since this brush is kind of fluffy, I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush just to clean up this line a little bit. And now for the outer corner, I'm gonna follow like my my lower lash line and go from there and go upwards with it. So now that I have my line on the outer corner, I'm going to take the brush and just kind of like fluff it, blend it just to make it like a little bit thicker, kind of like where it like dips off at. I'm gonna like bring up the shadows so it could create more of like a straight line rather than like this curved liner at the end, if that makes any sense. My pencil brush, blend it out. I'm gonna take my pencil brush and I'll just go in with this shade here, which is like a little bit lighter than the other one, and just go under my eye. More so go under my eye on the outer corner so I can like, you know, pinch the outside of my eye. I'm gonna take some brown liner and just kind of define this inner corner a little bit more, just so it can like have some depth to it. I feel like you can't really see it that much, and I kind of want it to just stand out a little bit more. Okay, so I'm done with my other eye. I'm ready to put some mascara on. What I will say is, what I noticed, I did touch up my eye, but nothing major. So what I noticed is that you want to clean this area. Well, I had to clean it with concealer because I couldn't get it super precise. So I cleaned the bottom with concealer and made sure that it didn't go past my lash line. Do you know what I mean? So like, even though this part is down, the part that once you start to drag it out to your lash line, just make sure you clean the area up so that there's like nothing at the bottom, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna apply some mascara, and I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I have the jankiest eyelashes known to man. So with my eyelashes, what I'm gonna do is I took a pair that like has a really long end to them, and I'm gonna cut these in half because I'm only gonna be applying the part of the lash to my outer corner. They're a bit too dramatic. This particular eyelash, which I believe is the style Gala or Gala by Kiss, it's too dramatic to just wear on its own, to just wear the end. So what I think I'm gonna do is just apply the whole thing. Okay, that works. Okay, y'all, so this is Instagram filter Jennifer editing in the future. I noticed that what I think had happened was I didn't press record on the part of the video where I put on my highlight and my lip color. So I'm gonna tell y'all that right now real quick. So I used the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the color Brooklyn Thorn. It looks just like this. For lipstick, I took the L'Oreal Color Riche or Rich Masterpiece in the shade Masterpiece. And then on top of that, I went in with the Revlon Lustrous Lip Gloss in the shade Sandstorm. Okay, so that's my lip combination. For my highlighter, I use a Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. So yeah, sorry that part skipped. So I gave myself like a little half up, half down situation, and because I like put my hair up, it's just pulling on my temples, which is like giving me even more of a lift on my eyes, you know. And my hair isn't being like pulled super hard. I wouldn't do that to my hair, but yeah, it's just like giving it like a little lift, and it's just making it, you know, like cinch my eyes up. So yeah, that was a little trick that I saw in another video, so I figured I would share with you guys as well, because I was like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. We all know, like, you know, when you pull your hair up and like if you do like the tight buns up top, that it like really gives you that like look, that like, you know, pulled eye look. But yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching another video. I will see you in my next